A very happy day to my dear students. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to the online English classes for today. Children, today we are going to start with our MCB book, and the first chapter of your MCB book is A Short Monsoon Diary written by Ruskin Bond. He has maintained this diary to describe the day-to-day observations that he has made of the monsoon period. Presently, he is living in a town of Cherrapunji, and which holds a world record for being the wettest place on earth. So let's begin with the summary of the chapter. On June 24th, he is describing the first day of monsoon. He describes that it is all covered in mist. And this mist is a cloud of water droplets in the air that make it difficult to see through. At the same time, he's saying that due to this mist, everything seems to be sad and full of sorrow, as they are not able to see each other. And only an hour ago, the trees were ringing with bird song, and now the forest is still, as though it were midnight. Afar from, he is hearing that Bijju is calling to his sister, but he is not able to see him. On June 25th, some genuine early monsoon rain, warm and humid, and not that cold high altitude snuff he has been having all year. So, in the starting of the early monsoon, he has seen that the cobra lilies have appeared. And this shows that it is the beginning of the monsoon day. And once he was asked by the schoolboy to describe the hill station, and he has described it as a paradise that might have been. On June 27, he saw a scene where a leopard has attacked one of the cows of Bijju's mother, to which she has boldly came, and due to her shouts, the leopard was able to run away from there. In this paragraph also, he has informed us about the leeches, the blood-sucking insects, which are more prominent to found in these days. Then August 2nd, he says that now properly the monsoon is here, and it is drumming on the corrugated tin roof. He is able to sleep and meditate of this sound. But at the same time, since the roof is leaking, so he is both in touch with the rain, and as well as he has the feeling of being untouched by it. On August 3rd, the rain has stopped, the clouds begin to break up, and the sun strikes a steep hill on his left. He can see a woman chopping up the sticks. He can hear the tinkle of cow bells. Then August 12th, it is an endless rain and a permanent mist. He hasn't seen sun for 8 or 9 days. August 31, it is the last day of August, and the lush monsoon growth has reached its peak. The seeds of cobra lily are turning red and signifying that the rains are coming to an end. Soon the fence and all the growth will turn yellow. At the same time, it is the time for snakes and rodents to come out of their holes. And here, on one day, in their house entered the shrew, to which his grandmother asked not to kill it because they bring wealth. And on the same evening, Ruskin Bond was able to receive a check. On January 26, it is the winter rain in the hills. In the hushed silence of the house, when he was quite alone and his friend who were there has gone, it's very lonely, it's quiet, and as he sit in a liquid silence, a silence within, he was surrounded by the rhythm of rain. Very beautifully in all these diary entries, he has described the natural process going on. Then he looked outside the window, and then he is all lost in the nature. The trees are no longer green but grey. On 23rd March, he is saying it is the end of winter, the blackest cloud he has ever seen in Missouri. Along with that, the hailstorm came and everything was clear. He is looking outside the window and he is telling us that he is able to see the rainbow. So children, I hope you understood the story. It is a very simple diary entry where Ruskin Bond is describing the climate during the monsoon period in Cherrapunji. Thank you so much children. God bless you all.